everybody, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. It is Paige here, and as you can tell by the title, I thought I would give you some advice on how to manifest the things that you want. So I thought I would just give you some tips that might help you get what you want and everything. So let's just get. First things first, my first tip I'll be giving is to change your mindset. So with this, you need to get all of the negative thoughts out of your mind, because if you are there like, oh, I'm not going to be able to lose 10 kilograms because of this and this and this, when you have that type of mindset, saying like, oh, I can't do this because, or I can't do this because of that, then it is 100% positive that you're not going to be able to get that. When you change your mindset into more things that are more positive, like, yeah, okay, I am going to be able to do this, I am going to be able to lose 10 kilograms because of this reason, because I'm going to be more disciplined and everything, then you are going to be able to get that thing that you want, that's more important. Because when you're always negative, you're going to stay in the negative. When you start thinking the positive, then all the positive things are all going to come in. The second one is to meditate. I feel like meditating builds a better connection with you, with your body and everything. It helps you calm, to stay calm and everything. So for example, let's say, like my last step, I said to try to stay positive. Let's say you have a day that's really difficult for you to stay positive, and I feel like when you meditate, it helps to get rid of all of the negative energy out of you. My next tip is to visualize what you want. So I feel like when you visualize, I'm like, okay, I can see myself building my own business. You visualize on how you're going to get there. So I'm like, okay, visualize. How am I going to get there? So you have all this planned out. If you have to, you can write everything down. Like, okay, how am I going to get there? So you have the mindset, like, okay, I know I'm going to be a great businesswoman, but I feel like you also need to visualize on how you're going to get to that businesswoman, because you can always think, yeah, I'm going to be a great businesswoman, but it just doesn't magically come up like that. You don't think it, and then the next day is going to happen. So I feel like you need to visualize the step by step on how you're going to be to get there on wherever goal you want. My last tip, I feel like it's also important, is to show up. So from what I mean about this is, I feel like you need to dress like you already have what you want. So if you want to be a great businesswoman, I feel like you need to dress it as a businesswoman. Because I feel like then when you show up, you're showing that you're doing what you already have what you want, and I feel like that's when people are going to take you seriously. And I also feel like you need to put the work in. So like I said earlier, you need to visualize, but you also need to put the work in. So like you can't write everything down. It's easy. Okay, I'm going to do this, this, and this. But if you're not going to do the work, what's the point of visualizing, dressing up as the person you want to be? I feel like putting in the work is going to help you. So manifesting all those things, I feel like that's also going to help you out. And putting in the work, it's not going to be easy at all. It's going to be very difficult. But I feel like these things will help you to manifest the things that you would like. So that is some of the tips that I feel like that's like the main tips to manifest things on what you want in your life. So yeah, so if you guys like this type of video, give it a thumbs up. If you like it, leave a comment on what you would like to see for next week's videos. And don't forget to subscribe, because I do upload every single Friday. And don't forget to follow all of my social media while I'm still in tin. And also leave a comment on what you would like to see next. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!